This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit noragon.com to learn more.
All right, we have a long to-do list today.
Should I be worried?
No, we got this. All we have to do is make sure 14 deliveries get out on time, 3 of our trucks get fixed, we order parts before 9, schedule a meeting with the techs, update our software. Oh, and we definitely need to get a cake because we celebrate April birthdays tomorrow, so.
Okay, that's a lot. What's the game plan?
Oh, well, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? We'll figure it out. Well, we should probably start by ordering the parts since the clock is ticking on that and we need those for the repairs. Then we could move on to checking the deliveries, and then at lunch I can go run and grab the cake.
Okay, let's update the software during the meeting though, because I can run while we're doing the meeting.
Okay.
I'll get the cake. Hi everyone, welcome to FE's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I'm Jason.
And I'm Tess. Just as Jason and I had to prioritize tasks in a timely manner, the same goes with truck servicing. Yes, it's all important, but in order to achieve efficient operations, you have to identify what needs the most attention and at what times.
Downtime is the obvious metric to keep up with. That's the amount of time the truck is out of service due to repairs or maintenance, and it directly impacts your bottom line. But you should ask yourself a few questions. Are there any particular groups of trucks that are more prone to repair? What are their applications, duty cycles, routes? Finding these commonalities could help you narrow in on specific repair needs.
You could have a stellar PM plan in place, but are you sticking to it? Fleets should make sure to track compliance with preventative maintenance schedules to ensure that they're staying on top of the necessary maintenance and avoiding issues that could quickly evolve into a breakdown. Another area that warrants attention is your drivers operating your vehicles. Given that every driver has unique driving styles, every truck will inevitably experience varying degrees of wear and tear.
It's imperative that fleets closely monitor driver behavior and identify areas where improvements can be made to mitigate the negative effects on vehicles.
What are some other important metrics that fleets should track when it comes to truck service operations? For that, we have Noragon pros ready to field that question.
What are the most important metrics that fleets should track and analyze when it comes to their truck service operations? Fleet managers need to keep track of several key metrics to ensure smooth operation. Here are some of those most important metrics: vehicle utilization, downtime, maintenance cost per mile, fuel efficiency of the vehicle, safety, on-time delivery, driver productivity. Vehicle utilization is about tracking the percentage of the time the vehicles are in use. These are working assets. They need to stay on the road to make you money. So helping to optimize that vehicle allocation and identify underutilized vehicles is key. Downtime is the amount of time that a vehicle is out of service. If you minimize downtime, you're going to drive productivity and profitability. Maintenance cost per mile, it measures the cost of maintaining a vehicle per mile. It allows you to compare apples to oranges when you have vehicles that drive different number of miles. So target those vehicles that are costing you more money to maintain, and then make an informed decision about whether to maintain better or replace. Fuel efficiency is crucial for reducing operational cost. Which vehicles are not performing well? Why? Is it configuration, the application it's in, the diagnostic reasons? Look at those issues, make an informed decision about whether you should maintain it better or replace it. Safety performance always must be a top priority for fleets. Track metrics such as accidents per mile, safety violations, driver behavior. It helps you identify areas that need improvement. And then on-time delivery is always critical for keeping your customer satisfaction and retention as high as possible. Make adjustments to routing or scheduling to improve that for your company. Driver productivity to ensure that you are using their time effectively. Hours worked, trips completed, miles driven per hour. Optimize your driver schedules or routes to keep them happy and effective. Baseline your entire fleet for these metrics and seek constant improvement on that baseline so that you know that you're making impactful changes.
By implementing best practices that can reduce wear and tear, enhance safety measures, and optimize fuel consumption, fleets can proactively counter these issues and ensure their vehicles operate at peak performance levels.
Well, we'd love to stay and chat, but we've got some work to do.
Yeah, cake. Man, I wonder what kind of cake I'm gonna get. Chocolate,
Is that really at the top of the...
carrot,
Is that at the top of the list?
sprinkle cake.
Sprinkle cake.
Love cake. See you next time.